What if you want to send a bunch of photos by email, but the size of the attachment is limited? Or you want to upload screenshots and images taken on various devices to your blog? You can easily batch resized images with Icecream Image Resizer. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to resize multiple images at once and save the results on your Windows computer in the most preferred way. Download Icecream Image Resizer for Windows from our website and launch the program. Select the photos you want to bulk resize and drag them into the program's window. With Image Resizer, you can change the size of JPG, JPEG, PNG, BMP, and TIFF images. Now you can select the changes you want to make. On the Profile drop-down, select the new size for the photos. For example, select the Email option to get the output images of 1024 by 768 size for easier sending. You can also change the width and height of the photos manually in the Resolution area. Type in 750 for the width option to batch resize images for your blog. The Profile option will be automatically changed from email to manual. Untick the Height option so the height of the output images is automatically scaled according to the selected width. Icecream Image Resizer preserves the aspect ratio of the images by default, so they're not distorted after resizing. Then, click the Save To option in the drop-down menu to decide where to save the resized photos. The Subfolder choice will create a new folder on your desktop. Once you're happy with your selection, click the Resize button and confirm you want to batch resize the images. Shortly, a new pop-up will appear to confirm the image resizing is complete. Click the Open Folder box to open the output folder with the newly resized photos. Download Icecream Image Resizer to resize multiple images on Windows quickly and simply, allowing you to store and share them with ease.